I think that's just one of the things that mentally, psychologically takes this whole running experience to the next level for you. So THERUN has released their all-new T15 Basic treadmill, and today we're going to compare it to the T12 Starter to see what all the T15 Basic brings to the table. So stay tuned, because we got a whole bunch of new features to talk about, things that just take this treadmill experience to a whole new level, including a virtual experience. So we're going to compare these treadmills, and then you can be informed on which one works for you. Let's get started. Now, the T12 Starter is no slouch. It's still one of my favorite finds of the year, supporting up to 300 pounds. And just to let y'all know, I'm 205 pounds and I'm 6'1". It's real easy on the legs, and we're gonna run in a minute and you'll be able to see how it has me. Right now, the incline is going up, and it goes all the way up to a 12 level incline. So as I start to pick up the speed and get some running in, you could just see how well it supports my weight. I feel very much so supported by this treadmill. And here's another close-up of the incline as it goes all the way up to level 12. This is essential for peak calorie burning potential. When you do the incline, it takes your cardiovascular fitness to the next level. The T12 Starter is good for that, and it's not going to break the bank. It's a no-nonsense treadmill when you want to start your cardiovascular fitness. It's not one of those flimsy walk-only treadmills. It has a little bit more weight, more girth to it, but it's still very, very easy to move around. If we look at the interface, the T12 gives you a little dashboard where you can adjust the incline as well as the speed. It gives you some feedback data as well as the calories burned, the amount of time you spent on the treadmill, and the distance you have covered. You gotta be able to lock in with the numbers. If a treadmill is not showing you how far you're going and being able to easily display this type of information, I'm sorry, but you're getting scammed. The T12 Basic is giving you solid data and feedback as a treadmill should. Here's a wider shot just so you can see how well this treadmill is able to support, but let's get into that T15 Basic. Now, already out the gate, this treadmill lowers down faster than the T12 Starter, and you expect a little bit of upgrades from this T15, so let's get into it for real. Now, because the T12 can support me walking, I already know the T15 will be able to support me, but let's check out the running. And the T15, of course, I can feel a difference in smoothness and how well this treadmill has me. Like I said, I'm 6'1", 205 pounds, and I'm easily gliding through this thing. And this T15 has 15 incline levels, taking the potential for calories burned due to incline walking to the next level. Not only did I lift it to the highest maximum incline, but I also decided to put it on a pretty decent run speed to see how well it can support my weight and see how well I feel supported by the treadmill. And I gotta give it a 2 thumbs up. It's got me good. They even have on the T15 the heart monitor where you can place your hands on the sensors and it reads right on the dash your pulse, your heart rate, which is important to know during your cardiovascular fitness. Now, you can look at this digital interface and see that it has seen an upgrade. Great useful data to inform your running experience, but one of the things I'm most excited about is the T15's virtual experience that they have integrated with this treadmill called Zwift. For those of you that get pretty bored running on a treadmill, they have this virtual running experience, Zwift. You can customize your character and you can go to different worlds. It's an interactive running and training experience. You run through virtual worlds with real courses alongside other people from all over the world. And I think that's so cool. You can see some of the people right now. So if you're competitive, you can be running against other people, but they have hills, mountains, cities, and they gamify the virtual experience. And I think that's just one of the things that mentally, psychologically takes this whole running experience to the next level for you. I had fun trying to customize my character. Now, when I went to the interface and I was looking for a character that had the locks, they did have locks, and I was pretty hype about that. You know, it's not as long and as good looking as mine, but nevertheless, they had the representation, and I appreciate that a lot. Last but not least, the T15 Basic treadmill is easy to move around. It has the portable wheels and it just goes up on itself quite easily, and I can just move it all around my basement in any fashion that I want to. Very simple, very easy to move. So here is my final verdict. So guys, depending on what you're looking for, the T15 might be the upgrade that you need. It has way more features, the ability to do the virtual running, and overall, I gotta give this one a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for functionality, features, and the price. With the T12 Starter and then the T15 Basic, THERUN has proven that they have a treadmill for anybody looking to increase their cardiovascular fitness on any level.